from Vishnu Institute of Technology. I select in Smart Engine. I opted MERN stack to learn more about it. So, in regarding to that, I has given a project to work on Freelance Finder. So, Freelance Finder is the work as a comprehensive freelancing platform connecting clients with skilled freelancers. Clients can post projects, freelancers can bid or get assigned, and everyone benefits from a streamlined workflow from project posting to delivery and review. The main features are role-based user system like admin, client, freelancer, client dashboard to post or manage projects, freelancer dashboard to view and update the assigned task, responsive clean UI built with Bootstrap and Material UI, future-ready architecture for chat, ratings, and payments. First of all, for the front end, I used React and TypeScript using the React router for navigation. Generally, the front end part was taken by one of my teammate, Lavanya. So I completely worked on backend. So coming to the backend includes the MongoDB. That means I used cloud via Mongoose. It stores the users, projects, assignments, schemas enforce data structure with validation. Users includes roles and relations to projects. This is the backend structure. Here we have .env file. That means here I stored the Mongo URL, which is suitable for my MongoDB database cloud. So this is the way that I connected to the Mongoose database, and here I used different queries. That means different schemas to store the data. For example, login data is stored here, register data is stored here. We can post the project for the clients, and we can bid the project for the freelancers. Select the freelancer. That means when the client want to assign the project to that particular freelancer, he should select that particular freelancer. So we can submit the work. Freelancer can submit the work, and I imported in them into the server.js. Server.js is the main backend file. That means using Node.js and Express.js. I created this. I imported each and everything that I required, and I used REST APIs, and from those I got the required results. So let's see while running. First of all, I want to show how it is running in the backend. See here, when I click node server.js, server is running on localhost 30,000 and database is connected successfully. So now let's try to run the front end too. Let's quickly go to front end and now run npm start. Okay, now this is the project website, and this is the dashboard, and this is the user interface that we created. Let's see. Uh, First of all, I want to register with name SmartInternz, email smart@gmail.com. Password would be something. I want to register as a client. Register. User registered successfully. And if I want to check whether it is registered successfully or not, let's go and see. Uh, See here, SmartInternz smart@gmail.com, and the password is a SmartInternz. So the role was client, and it was successfully stored. Now let's try to log in. Logged in as client because it has stored the features. Okay, now I'm a client, so I can post a project, or see, let's try to post the project. Project title would be SP Freelance Finder, finding freelancer. 15. So client ID. Client ID is the ID that I have been assigned each and every time I log in. I registered as a new user. So in dashboard I provided the client IDs or role based IDs. Project title would be something like freelance finder. Posted project successfully. Okay. In view projects, we can see how many projects are there. Freelance finder. I actually did some more projects and assigned this. Assign. If anyone has bid their project, then we can assign. This is you only. This interface is used for the freelancers. And when submitting your bid, that means submitting that I want to do this project, and we can enter the project ID and check whether are there any members who bidded this project. Let's see. Let's copy this and let's check if anyone bid. Yes, of course. Someone called freelancer ID, someone with freelancer ID, amount 10,000. Proposal I can do this because I am an expert in AI agent creation. Okay, so we can assign this by copy pasting freelancer ID. Then we can by pasting the project ID here. Let me store it somewhere. Let's paste it here for some time. This is my project ID. This is my this is the freelancer that I want to. This has come because it has already been assigned. Okay, so it cannot work. Let's try and log in as a new client. Let me register first. See here, data is stored. Now bid the project. Say project ID would be for this. Now we created this now. Here is client ID. Sorry, before I forgot to log in as freelancer. Now I logged in as freelancer. So let me try once again. Hmm, First I need to bid the project, right? See, here before I added some extra spaces, now it was removed. So if I try to do placement, it was placed successfully. Let me do, let me copy this and log in as client and check view pitch project ID. See, I did two times, right? For showing you, and once I did before. So these are the bits that we got. For assigning, I need to assign the project for freelancer. Assign project ID. Assign successfully. This is how the work happens. In between, yeah, there was an error came in submitting the bid. That was because of the leading spaces. So I found that and I removed that error, and it was a great experience by learning all these things. These are all happening because the backend has a good storage. So in this way I completed this project.